Alright guys, well it's been quite a while since I've been to this hotel. And here's this Heil 10 running. I think that has a stroll. Go around this way. Yeah, here it is. It's a 2.5 ton from 2002. Ooh, that's burning hot. Wow. That is ice cold. And yeah, well, there's something new over here. And you're not gonna believe what it replaced. Alright, let's go see it. Look at this. If you remember, there used to be a Goodman here. And it got replaced with this brand new Carrier Sentry. I'm sure Teal will love this. Let's see what this might have. Yeah, it's just like the one in the new neighborhood. The ones in the new neighborhood that have it has a GC. A2L. 2026 2.5 ton. Yeah, it's just like the one that I filmed. And I think I gotta start up a one the 2.5 ton. I think it's only a shut off. Has not been running. Oh, this is a Heil 12. Millennium Scroll. It's a 2002 3.5 ton that has not been running. It's about to rain. Right, let's go look at this. Bigger one's running. I bet it's also from 2002. The little one shut off, but it was running. I can't get back to the data on those. Oh, no way. Oh my, here we go. This one's running. Ooh. Ooh. It's pulling out a high heat load. That's a 5 ton from 2002. I think. Yeah, 2002 probably. And looks like it's working great. Now let's go see this other brand new unit. If you remember, this replaced the XR12. No, XR13. I don't know what went wrong with that, but I don't know. Oh, it's been running. Sweet. 2026 5 ton. It's pretty much, it's brand spanking new. And wow, that also has a GC. I'm honestly surprised. Broad ocean fan motor. Both of the new Carrier Sentries have them. Yeah. All right. And let's see what's we got over here. Oh wow. Alright, well, this Goodman still remains. I don't think this thing has been running either. Emerson Copeland scroll. Yeah, it has not been running. 2015, it's a 3-ton. I don't know what kind of fan motor this has. Probably broad ocean if I had to guess. And here's this other Heil. Oh, nice. This one has Copeland scroll. I think these all have Copeland scrolls. I thought they had recips, but I think, yeah, these all have scrolls. It's another 3.5 ton from 2002. And wow, they put that fan motor low. But yeah. We'll go see if maybe the Carrier Sentry kicked on. Alright, it did not kick on yet, but I think it has been running for sure. But yeah, the little one kicked back on. Alright guys, well, it shut off. So yeah, that'll be about it, so. Alright guys, so this unit kicked on. Got a GC scroll and a broad ocean fan motor, and somehow it already developed a bad run capacitor. I don't even know how. But yeah, 2026 is a 2.5 ton. Here on Advance. A2L. Ooh, that's cool. But yeah, it started up pretty slow, so I think this thing's already developing a bad run capacitor somehow. So yeah. And yeah, I'll add this into the video, so. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and well, I'll see you on the next one. Over and out.